Hello student, I am Dr. Paramita Basu from Kiaten Design. So today I have come for UCEED Mock Test which we are starting. As you know, NID exam is finished and now we have to concentrate on UCEED exam. So we have started the crash course for UCEED exam. There is only 1 month left for the exam, and you can join our crash course. Plus you can even go for our mock test, which is free. Crash course is not free, mock test is free. So in case you want to join any crash course or mock test, you should WhatsApp me in this number. Please WhatsApp message me your name, your state, and whatever you want to ask, all the details of crash course or the free mock test. I will give you everything in my WhatsApp number. And rest the students who are actually going for UCEED now, of course UCEED has now 2 drawing papers, which from last year it was only 1. Now this year they have changed to 2 drawing papers, so you have to improve your drawing very well. So those who are doing only theory, please start concentrating on drawing also, because drawing is now also become a main paper in UCEED paper. So I think this is very important for the students who are coming for mock test or crash course for UCEED exam. For mock test exam, you have to WhatsApp me and I will give you a form. You have to fill the form, and then of course we will give you the mock test. I will give 1 mock test, and then after you give the answer sheet to us, then you will get another mock test. This is very important, because we have seen the students are just taking the mock test and not doing it. So we have done this for that, and we will check your papers, and also we will help you to understand why you've done what you have done wrong. So in that we can give you a counseling also, and this actually is the full process for the mock test. And for crash course, we are actually doing a lot of things, so that the students who are only coming for 1 month, they will get lot of extra classes, they will get recorded videos all in the class, plus the students, they will get live classes. Also they will get individual class, so that they can complete their syllabus in 1 month. And the time frame is also maybe in a day you are getting 2-3 class, or 1 class or 3 class, whatever, according to the because there is no time in a month, we have to finish our syllabus. So those who are actually want to join our crash course, please WhatsApp me in this number, and then I will give you every detail. And I think this is very important for the students who are going for UCEED exam. Don't forget to like and share, and those who are coming first time in this channel, do subscribe. For now, bye for today.